Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back, my dear kids. Now, with another video, our lesson today is about comparative endings ER and EST. Um, in this lesson, we are going to learn how to spell, how to pronounce words with ending ER and EST as comparative and superlative adjectives. But first of all, we are going to take a short hint about what is a comparative and what is a superlative. Comparative ending ER and EST. Comparative adjectives are used to compare one noun to another noun. We add ER to the adjective. Grade 1, you will learn more through the other slides, but I will tell you something. Comparative is when I compare between two. Ahmed is tall and Ali is tall, but Ahmed is taller than Ali. So I add ER to the adjective to compare between two. Small, smaller. You have to pay attention to that we repeat the last letter before we add er in some adjectives. Hot will be hotter. Here, as I told you in ending ed and ing, the same thing here. I repeat the last letter before I add the ending. What is superlative, mister? Superlatives are used to compare one noun to more than one noun. Not one to one. No, one to all means, for example, I can say Abdulaziz is the tallest one in the class. No one is taller than Abdulaziz. Okay? I can say smallest. We add est to the adjective. Okay, so I can say that the ant is the smallest insect. Okay, we repeat the last letter before we add est in some adjectives as big and biggest. Let's see some examples and we will learn more. Here, the weather is hot. This is the adjective. But if I compare this fire to the weather here, so the fire is hotter. The fire is hotter, so I added er because I compare between two. But if I compared between the three, so this is the hottest. This is the hottest. So this picture is hotter than this picture and this picture. Here I add er and here I add est. Look at this pencil. This pencil, the first pencil here is short, but the second one is shorter, yani more short. And the last one is the shortest one. So if I compare between two only, I will say the yellow and green pencil is shorter than the purple and blue pencil. But if I compare between three or more, I will say that the red pencil is the shortest one. That means both pencils are taller or longer than the last one. Okay, this boy is strong, mashallah, but this one is stronger. Oh, but this one, number 3, is the strongest one. He is the strongest one. Okay, so if I compare between only two, so I will say that this boy in blue is stronger than the boy in red. And the last one here is the strongest of all of them. Strongest of all of them. As I told you in the first video, in the beginning of the video, our lesson is phonics. So our lesson is how to pronounce the ending er and est in this comparative and superlative adjectives. Repeat after me. Bigger, bigger, bigger. This is big, but this is bigger. Wow, this is the biggest, biggest, biggest. Repeat after me, biggest. This bicycle is fast, but this motorbike is faster, 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 faster. This bike is fast. This motorbike is faster. Wow, but this plane is the fastest, 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 fastest. This turtle is slow. Sorry, this rabbit, or I think this rabbit is slow, but this turtle is slower, 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 because this is faster. Sorry, the rabbit is faster than the turtle, so the turtle is slower. But if you looked at the snail here, the snail is the slowest, slowest, slowest. So here I can say this slower and this snail is slowest, slowest. Of course, this kid is shorter than his dad. Okay, short, shorter, short, shorter, shorter. But if you look at this small dog is the shortest, shortest, short, shorter, shortest, short, shorter, shortest. This face is a sad face, sad. But this one is sadder, 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 sadder. Okay, but wow. Oh my god. The last one here is the saddest, saddest, saddest one. Sad, sadder, saddest, sad, sadder, saddest. Thank you so much. You are the best boys ever. Goodbye.